If you want to remove a SIM card from Samsung Galaxy A57, then all you have to do is you need to take a look at the bottom of the phone, and of course over here we should be able to find our SIM tray with the SIM tray hole. We need to use this hole in order to eject the SIM tray, and we need to use the SIM eject tool, which you can find inside the box. In my case it looks slightly different, but of course it does the job as well. We need to put the eject tool into this SIM tray hole. There we go. And once you put it in, you want to apply a little bit of pressure and push it into the phone. There we go. Once it slightly pops out, you should be able to use your fingernails or fingers, and you can remove the SIM tray over here. All right. And once you remove it, usually the SIM tray slots are very loose, so usually you can drop the card easily. If you have trouble with removing the SIM card, you can try to apply a little bit of pressure in order to slightly, gently bend the SIM tray. You don't want to, of course, break it or something, or completely bend it, but you can try to push it from one side in order to bend it so the SIM card pops out. Also, we have these holes over here, so you can use, for example, the SIM eject tool and poke it from the other side in order to make it pop out. And there we go. Once we remove our SIM cards or SIM card from Galaxy A57, we need to put the SIM tray back into the phone. So just slide it all the way in, and of course make sure that it is fully in. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.